Hey, what's up everyone? It's Enrique, and today I have something that I've been waiting for in the mail, and I couldn't wait. I was super anxious at work, and it's finally here. And here, let me show you. There it is, my Aero exhaust system for the 701 Husqvarna. Taking away this big ol' shit can. It's just too quiet. I honestly don't feel that safe, especially when it comes to splitting lanes. I live here in California, so it's legal for us to split lanes. They call it sharing the lane. So, you know, my bike right now is fairly quiet, and when I'm splitting lanes, my bike, I can't even hear the exhaust when I'm going on the freeway. It's way too windy and we get too much wind chatter with the helmet, so I went ahead and ordered the Aero. I got the aluminum can with the carbon fiber tip, so stick around and I'm gonna get that started. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little before and after exhaust sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the stock sound. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on now. Let it cycle through its fuel pump and start it up. Open this up. Man, this thing's got cobwebs. Let's see what's in here in this box. Oh, this is the mid pipe. Alright, whatever you want to call it. Open this up. So, if you're wondering where I ordered my exhaust from, I ordered it through Rottweiler Performance, and they shipped it out pretty quick. I got the next day shipping. It actually took a little more than 1 day, but I guess in their policy they say that it can take more than 72 hours for them to ship it, so it's kind of not even worth it to do that. There's some foam here, and here's the exhaust. Moment of truth. Now they say when you get some of these exhausts, I've heard of a few people having issues with their blinkers getting melted because they're so big. Let's move this out of the way. So they're so big and they're right in the way of the exhaust. So hopefully I don't have the same problem. Put that over there. Alright, so here's the system. I just got the aluminum one with the carbon fiber tip just because I didn't feel like going for the titanium one. I feel like the amount of weight you save is not that crazy. I just wanted it for the sound. There's this film stuff. I'm gonna remove that. Voila. Now I'm gonna probably let my bike cool down because I just got home from work, and I'm gonna lube my chain real quick. Shake it up a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna start removing everything from the... Alright, so over here I've gone ahead and pulled out my little binder that Husqvarna provides provides you when you purchase your 701, and it comes with a little toolkit. In this little tube, there's all the torque wrenches, or whatever you want to call it, the torque bits that you need in order to work on your bike. I think maybe they did not provide all of them, but I know they have these torque Allen keys. Excuse the sound. I would do this with the garage open, but it's super hot. I don't have air conditioning in my garage. I wish I did. So for this one, I believe you need a size 30 torque. I think it was like a 30 and a 20 something. We'll go along with it. Okay, put that right there. So first thing I'm gonna do is come down here, reach for this little tab, release the seat, remove the seat, set that aside, and then just remove these top two torques. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but these torque bolts, which are surprisingly super loose. So there it is. Take these off, set them aside somewhere, put them on the table. At this point, you will be able to just snap these side shrouds, and I need to remove this this header plate protector, whatever you want to call it, side plate. Okay, that one is coming off too. Okay, both of those come off. Whew. Okay, put this on the table as well. I think a 10 will work if you don't have that torque bit. Yep, that is a 10 millimeter. And the first two that I was using were the, okay, let me make sure. It is this TX25 and the T30 that they provide you with. And then to take off this clamp over here, or loosen it, that's the 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna use that 10 millimeter because they provide you with this sweet little tool. Let me try that. Put it on this side. So you can pretty much take apart your whole bike with the tools that, not the whole bike, but for your exhaust, to remove your exhaust. It's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Okay, remove these two, or loosen the bottom one, I should say, and then loosen this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. It's a little cooler, so that comes right off. Put that on there. Now I'm gonna take this mid pipe and go ahead and put it on. I think it goes on this way right there, but I do need a clamp. And for this you will need a Allen wrench. Let me see. That goes like this. So with the little slits facing towards your engine. Okay, so we are going to have to remove that bracket right there. Or 13, that's a 13. Okay, so 13 to remove this old bracket. This is my other woman.
Cop. Yeah, you have two cameras on you?
Yes. this shroud. This thing, okay, so this thing, you kind of slide it in here, slide it under, if I can do it, right there, like so. Tuck that under there, clip it in here, in the front, then do these right here. What do you think, sir?
Está bien. Sí.
Hell yeah, you could barely hear it.
I went by my old neighbor's house through the cop with all what?
Spin it. Oh god, you're making me nervous. Hurry, she's getting hot.
No, she's fine.
Hurry up.
She likes to get hot and bothered.
Can you tell the difference? That thing roared.
Yeah, buddy.
Hurry up.
I'm gonna pop wheelies when I go into fifth.
That thing. Oh my god. What'd you say?
It's gonna be annoying to go on. It's too loud.
It sounds beautiful.
My ears.
You're not gonna hear it that much because it's going. Dude. Ooh.
Wow.
That sounds a little better.
Wow.
Just leave it off. All right. What do you think?
I'm sure glad this bike doesn't live here.
All right. Cool.
It's the cost to be here in no time.